Okay, welcome ladies and gentlemen. Today we got everything ready. We got the, we hung them up on these trusses, and these hangman looking things. It's all sanded, it's going to be painted. We got all the drawers, everything sanded. I just have to take some microfiber and get this like, as you can see here, there's like dust and some overspray, but as you can see, I got to take this off with the microfiber rags, what I've been doing. And hold on, yeah, some microfiber cloths that you could buy, microfiber towels, 36 in the pack. So yeah, it's coming along. I'm gonna show you it later when it's all painted and done. We got it taped. Still got to tape it by the floor over here. I don't know. Before we put in the floors, I guess we're gonna have to pick all this up and rip it out, pick it up, and transfer it, and then we'll put in the floors. The floors are almost ready. Yeah, it sucks living in the construction and working in it and living in it. That's the part that sucks. Well, that's the way it's got to be. All right, thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe, share, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.